Hey everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Officers Adda247, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. First of all, I just want to say that those candidates who just want to revise the concept of each subject, so there is a power pack of PPB, AFB and LRB. So the power pack of AFB and LRB is already started. So if you want a quick revision of all the module, so you can easily purchase the power pack, and my power pack, that is of LRB, is going to be start from 13th of June. So if you want to enroll in this power pack of LRB, which is going to be start from 13th on June, and the timing will be 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. class. So if you want to get enrolled in this batch, you simply have to use the code Y391 for the 78% discount. Okay, so this is for those candidates who just want a quick revision, because in the morning session after PPB and AFB exam we will do the quick revision of all the module of this LRB, and in the evening we will do the question in the YT session. Okay, so that's all for this power pack. So if you want to get enrolled, you can easily get. And this is a class selection batch. If you want a recorded session of all the three paper, so this selection batch will be give you a quick revision of all the three paper. And this is all about the case study batch, in which the 2 marks question that generally come in this batch. So if you want to get enrolled in the case study batch, you can also get enrolled in this batch. Okay, exactly. A very good evening to all of you. So let's start with the session of the questions. Okay, and the questions are here. Which of the following class that is a correct statement? Okay, correct. For all types of action, the firm is liable for action of the partner. For the action of company, the shareholder are liable personally. For action of shareholder, the company is liable. And for the action of partner in normal course of business done by him for a firm, the firm is liable. So which of the following is the correct statement, class, in the first one? Which of the following is the correct statement? I think option is clear to all of you. Okay, there are 4 options. You have to tell me the exact answer of this one. Twinkle ma'am, please read the question, read the option all. Correct statement. For all types of action, the firm is liable for the action of partner. All the action. For action of company, shareholder is personally liable. For action of shareholder, company is liable. For action of partner in the normal course of business. What is normal course of business? That is the ordinary course of business done for the firm is liable. Which of the following is the exact answer? Please read the question carefully. Please read the question carefully before answering. The correct statement, the normal course of business means the ordinary, the routine work of the firm. The partner is liable means class firm is liable. That's it. The partner is liable, firm is liable, partner is liable. So for that first one, the exact answer is D is the correct statement, class. D is the correct statement. Because of this point, the first one is wrong one. So for the first one, D is the right answer. Before answering, class, please read the question twice. And suppose in this question the statements are given, so you have to read each the statement twice a time. Okay, now, so class, it is mandatory that each company should suffix the word limited. Okay, but in the case of dash, company word limited can be dispensed. Second one, company incorporated under special act of parliament. Section 25, company promoted by government, या section 23 of the company act. What is the exact answer? What is the exact answer? Dash company word limited can be dispensed. What is the exact answer of this one? Section 25 of the Company Act say the document containing offer of securities for sale to be deemed prospectus. That is section 25. And if we talk about section 23 of the Company Act, it is the public company may issue securities. That is section 23. So what will be the exact answer? Second one. It is mandatory that each company should suffix the word limited, but in case dash companies, the word limited can be dispensed. So under which type of company? Good evening, Prajakta ma'am. For the second one class, for this question class, you have to basically use, you have to know the particular section. If you don't know the section, just leave it. So what will be the exact answer? Second one. Exactly class, if we talk about the section 25, so section 25 is basically defined as the limited company formed for the sole object, that is 25. Okay, so for this one, exactly. Exactly. बहुत बढ़िया. So for this one, exact answer is A is the right answer. Okay, Special Act. Excellent. Now, if the word limited are not included in the name of company, so this can be done by obtaining from under whom direction? Permission by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, license SEBI, license regional director, या no such permission or license is required. Question number 3. A very good question. The Company Act is very important from the examination point of view. So you have to focus on the Company Act. Yes? What will be the exact answer? And at this Sunday also class, there is a marathon. 6 to 7 AFB, 7 to 8 that is PPB, and 8 to 9 is your LRB marathon, that is PM. Okay, so you have to come. The word limited class, please see the question. Permission, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Why you people are saying A1? The word limited are not included in the name of company. This can be done by obtaining from permission, the Ministry of Affairs. Why you people say A is the right answer? Third one. For the third one class, first of all, SEBI is not the right answer. The word limited are not included in the name of the company. So what is the work of Ministry of Corporate Affairs in this one class? What is the work of this one? So for this one class, the exact answer is license from the regional director is the right answer. Exactly, Sabir sir. It's a regional director is the right answer for this one. Please learn that question. These are the legal facts that you have to know. Okay? Vaishali ma'am nahi allow kar rahe, so that's why sham mein karna padega. They are not allowing us. Okay? Okay class, which of the following is the correct regarding the name of the company? Okay, name clause. Name should not be prohibited under the Emblems and Names Act. Name should not be identical or too nearly resemble. The name should not be misleading or is not intended. All of the above is the correct one. So it's all about class name clause. So what precaution the company have to take care while just putting the name? It's a very simple question. Actually, Vishali ma'am, these sessions are generally students see the recorded session. So that's why we have just, put the session in a simple way so that you can easily search all the 3 paper in a very sequence manner. Okay, and only one Sunday is left. In I think next Sunday your exam is there, so just you can do. Okay, for the fourth one class, the exact answer is, for the fourth one, the exact answer is all of the above is the right answer. Excellent class. Now, which of the following document is clause conclusive evidence for the company has come into existence? Which is the document is a conclusive evidence that the company has come into existence? Whether that is MOA, certificate of incorporation, article of association, or certificate of commencement of the business. Commencement means to just initiate, shuruat. So what will be the exact answer of fifth one? Uma Maheshwari, ma'am, you just want a module wise mock test. Ma'am, actually we do not make the mock test, ma'am. So what will be the exact answer, class? Fifth one. It's not the commencement, it show the document show the conclusive evidence. Exactly, Ramendra sir, that certificate of incorporation is the right answer. B is the right answer. Excellent. Now, okay, a public company was constituted with 7 shareholder, out of which 5 were, देखो, see, this question is basically the case study question. A public company is there, 7 shareholders are there, 5 were minor, okay, and on the behalf of minor, the memorandum of, this is comma, the memorandum of association was signed by the guardian of minor. Okay, now you have to tell me that whether the validity of issue of certificate of incorporation is questionable, it is partially questionable, it cannot be impeached, that is removed, impeached means removed, and it can be impeached. Sixth one, a very good question. A very good question, class. Sixth one. Impeached means removed. And the minor sign, you know, the 5, that is minor. See, for the public company, as we know that minimum 7 is required. So the 7 members are there. 5 were minors, but that is, you know, the memorandum. Memorandum means the authenticate document that is signed by the guardian. So what will be the exact answer? Sixth one. Vaishali ma'am have given me the answer. Ketika ma'am, you say D. Ketika ma'am say the validity of which can be impeached. Impeached means to remove, you know. Impeachment of judges, impeachment of the president. So impeachment means the removal. Excellent, class. For the, you know, this is very good question. So for 6-1 class, C is the right answer, that the validity of issue of certificate of incorporation cannot be impeached. 6th one, C is the right answer. Excellent, class. Now 7th. Under the provision of section 125 clause 4, just leave the section of Company Act, which of the following of type of charge is not required to be registered? So I think in your LRB syllabus you have learnt about the types of charges, floating charge and fixed charge. Okay, so you have to tell me the answer, that what type of charge is not required to be registered. Charge to secure the debtor debenture, any charge of immovable property, charge on the book depth of the company, and none of the above. 7th one. And what is book debt? Simply, it's the company document that the members that they have to pay to the company. So what will be the exact answer? 7th one. Not required to be registered. I think these questions are very good question, a new question for all of you. So that's why whatever question that is here, you have to solve these questions. So for the 7th one, the exact answer is not required to register, class. For this one, every document is required to register, every document. So none of the above is the right answer. 7th one, D is the right answer. Exactly, Sumedha ma'am. Proud of you. So in this document, registration is required. Okay? Seventh one, D is the right answer. Okay. Which of the following types of charge require registration with the registrar of company as per section 125? Tell me. Pledge of stock, loan against document of title to goods, loan against deposit, or hypothecation of goods. Registration is required with ROC. What is the exact answer? And you know these questions. And those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. And please follow the YouTube session till 19 June. That is very important to all of you. So what will be the exact answer? Which type of charge require registration with ROC as per 125? Only one Simran ma'am, Satish sir had given me the right answer. You all people are saying documents of title of deed. So what is the requirement of this registration class for the B1? The exact answer is D is the right answer. Hypothecation of the goods that need to be required for registered under the ROC. Exactly, Shubhangi ma'am. Good, Sumedha ma'am. D is the right answer, sir. Documents of title of goods is itself a register, so no need to require the registration under the ROC. D will be the exact answer for this one. Exactly. Please learn the questions. These are the legal fact. Totally section based question. So please apply your common sense. Now, okay. Okay, ninth question is not there. So class, what is the minimum and maximum number of members of private company and minimum and maximum members of the public company? Just tell me the numbers. Tell me the numbers. And those candidates who want just a last revision of your legal subject PPB and AFB, so the power pack is already made. Okay, so if you want to get enrolled, simply use the code Y391 for sharp 78% discount. This is very important. Exactly. Just write down the Twinkle ma'am. Private company, Twinkle ma'am have said that minimum 2 and the maximum 200. Exactly. And public one, exactly, for the public one 7 minimum, and that is unlimited. Many students, confused by this one. So why you people confuse? This is very simple question. Exactly. Many people confuse that, ma'am, in this one 50 is there. No, this is for the private company, this is for the public company. And if we talk about the directors class, okay, if we talk about the directors, so minimum 2, maximum 15 directors. Public में minimum 3, maximum 15. In the partnership, again I am saying, in the partnership minimum 2, maximum 50, maximum 50. So you have to remember this point, okay? This is very important. Hello Jula ma'am, this is the answer about the directors. Okay, 2 minimum, maximum, and partnership 2, 50. And LLP minimum 2, minimum, maximum, minimum 2, maximum, unlimited. So please remember these points. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. Okay, it's about LLP, partnership, it's a director of the company, and this is the members. Okay, good. Now, what represent the crystallization of floating charge into fixed charge? What is crystallization? Crystallization is the process of converting fixed into floating, floating into fixed charge. Okay, so what represent the crystallization of floating charge into the fixed charge? when the company defaults in repayment of the term loan, installment and interest, when the company default in servicing the interest in the cash credit account, when the rotation of stock stops and the same stock continue to be held as security for some reason, yeah, all of the above situation. 10th one, what is the exact answer? What is the exact answer? 10th one. Floating charge into the fixed charge. Floating means the charge on the security is unstable, but fixed charge, for any security the charge is fixed. So what will be the exact answer? 10th one. For the 10th one class, you are absolutely right that D is the right answer, that in all the cases the charges can be floating into the fixed. Okay, now next, to get the charge created in favor of a bank, the registered with register of company, a company gets the period of dash days from the date of creation of charge, 30 days from the date of first disbursement of the loan, 30 days from the date of last disbursement of loan, or any of them whichever is earlier. To get the charge created, in favor of a bank registered with the ROC, the company gets the period of what? Tell me the exact answer of 11th one. Jevan sir, we are doing the questions in 7:30 p.m. also. We have done the 19 questions, and in this session we will do the 22 questions. Sorry, this one. Okay. So for the 11th one, exactly, Satish sir, for the 11th one, A is the right answer. 30 days from the date of creation of the charges. Excellent. Next, the basic responsibility of filing the particular of charge lies with filing of particular of charge, that lies with company, bank and company both, or primarily the bank and secondary the bank. What will the exact answer of this one? First of all, if you know that from which act the charge has been taken or which act the charge is there, so you can easily tick mark the 12th one. Jevan sir, suppose if you are doing 12th question, it means that 12th question now you should never do the wrong in the further. So that's why whatever question I am just taking in this session, you have to understand the question also. So for the 12th one class, the exact answer is no, Mamta ma'am, 12th one not bank, baba. Exactly, Pyali ma'am, it's a company. The charge is written in the Company Act. So the company will be the right answer for 12th one. So that's all for today's class, okay? B is the right answer. So just tell me the score out of 12, how much marks you got. And from tomorrow we will do the 15 question, okay? Just don't worry. From tomorrow we will do the 15 question in 9 p.m. also. So in 7:30 also 15 question, and this one 15 questions. So total 30 question we will do in this one, okay? And this is class the selection batch in the English medium. So if you want a power pack in this LRB, which is going to be start from 13th of June. So what you have to do, simply go to the other site. The format is very easy. Click on all courses. Click on JAIIB CAIIB, JAIIB, and then click on, this is the power pack of LRB, which is going to be start from 13th of this one, 13th of June. So if you want to get enrolled, you have to simply put the coupon code Y391 for the special 78% discount. Okay, so this is all about your Powerpack of LRB in English medium. And if you want to get enrolled in the case study batch, which is already started, the English medium case study batch, so simply you have to click on this one. Okay, this is the case study batch. Simply for this one you have to use the coupon code, that is Y391, for the special discount here. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Good marks. Okay, sure, Javan sir, 2020 question. Okay, sure. Thank you so much, class. We will meet you tomorrow.